Hi guys, Dr. Goldstein here, Sports Chiropractic Natural Health Solutions. Today I'll be going over my favorite exercises for rotator cuff pain. We'll be doing internal and external rotation with resisted bands just like these. These bands range from 8 pounds of pull to 50 pounds of pull. You can get these bands at the link listed below. So what you're going to do, you're going to start off with the lightest band, which is going to be yellow in this set. Grab it just like this, keeping the arm in. You're just going to basically pull out just like this. Some patients, they have the tendency to take the elbow and leave the body, which is wrong. You want to make sure that the elbow is against the body the whole time. Now, if you have a problem doing that, sometimes I'll take the towel, put it underneath the patient's elbow just like this, and then have them do that. That way they have to make sure that the towel stays and that the elbow is next to the body. Once this gets a little bit too easy for you, or if it starts off easy, you're going to then graduate to the red band. Same thing, you're basically going to pull straight out, come right back in. You can do about 3 sets of 15 of these exercises until you feel the burn. The last one we're going to do is called eccentric. So with the black band, this is going to be a little bit tougher. You're not going to pull with your bad arm. You're going to pull with the good arm, just like this, as you can see. I'm not pulling the pulley. You're then going to let go. You're going to feel the band pull you right back as you resist. So once again, it looks something like this, elbow in. I'm not pulling with this hand. You're going to grab, let go with the left hand, and just let the band pull you in. So those are going to be the external rotations. For the internal rotations, you're going to do the same thing, except this time you're going to be pulling into your body, just like this. So you do the same thing, about 3 sets of 15. Once that gets too easy, move on to the red one. Pull it in just like this. So about 3 sets of 15, feel the burn. As long as there's no pain, you're probably good to go. So we're going to do the eccentric with the black band, which is going to look something like this. So band right here, you're going to use the good arm to pull the arm in. And now what you're going to do, you're just going to let go and resist the band pulling you. So once again, pull with the good arm, resist, just like that. It's about 3 sets of 15 I like to do with just like that with the internal rotation, and then 3 sets of 15 with the eccentric phase, just like that. So these exercises should help increase the strength of your rotator cuff and help with any pain that you may be having.